I like to show you how to make a beautiful rainbow, and it's a special rainbow because it's going to make your hands really strong. You have to do lots of cutting and lots of gluing and lots of color work too. So here we go. I'm going to start by putting the glue onto my rainbow. I'm going to do it like this, watch. I'm going to go around the inside of the rainbow with a nice bit of glue like that. I'll come back again and put glue on the rest of the rainbow later. I'm going to start with the violet on the inside of the rainbow. I'm going to cut my little squares onto my tray, just like this. Whenever I cut, I always have my thumb at the top of my scissors, so I can cut really well, just like this. The fingers go at the bottom and the thumb always goes at the top. And of course you have to be very careful when you're using scissors because they're quite sharp. Now I'm going to take my little violet squares and rectangles and stick them around the inside of my rainbow. Like this. All the way around, making a beautiful arc shape. And of course, when I've finished with the violet, I'm going to look for indigo. I couldn't find indigo, so I had to use a darker purple like this. You have to use what you have when you're at home the way we are. So I'm making a lovely violet arc. And after I've done my violet, I'm going to do my indigo, which is actually purple, then my blue, then my green, then my yellow, my orange, and lastly my red. Now it would take a very long time if I had to show you how to fill this whole rainbow all in this time. So I've done something, I've made one already and I'm going to show it to you. Let me move this one out of the way. This is the one that I finished already. Can you see how I've glued all the colors in the arc, the same shape as the rainbow, all the way from violet, all the way to red. And you can make one just like that, one color at a time, starting on the inside or starting on the outside, whichever you would prefer. And of course, when you're finished, you can make the sky and the clouds, and you can even draw something underneath the rainbow. Enjoy! Please send me a photo. I love to see your rainbows. I love seeing your work when you send it in. So please share. And if you need anything, just let me know. Bye.